This is Norbel Quatres and welcome to our online class. Today is the 20th of August. Let's talk about these creatures. A frog, a dog, a hen, chicks, zebras, a frog, a dog, chicken, zebras are all animals, which would be our topic this afternoon. Okay? Animal. The word animal is a noun, which means a living organism that feeds on organic matter, typically having specialized sense organs and nervous system, and able to respond rapidly to stimuli. Animals are classified into two, vertebrates and invertebrates. Let's take a look at the vertebrates. Vertebrates have backbone or vertebral column. Fish has backbone. It is a vertebrate. A zebra is a vertebrate because a zebra has backbone. Okay, horse has backbone similar to the zebra. So we call horse as a vertebrate. Vertebrates could be mammals, reptiles, amphibians, birds, or fish. Let's take a look at the invertebrates. Invertebrates could be sponges, Cnidarians, flatworms, roundworms, mollusks, annelids, arthropods, and echinoderms. These 8 creatures are invertebrates. Invertebrates doesn't have backbones. Okay. Look at the sponge or the sponges. Sponges are not weeds or they are not seaweeds. Sponges are invertebrates that have hollow tubes with many pores. Most sponges live in the ocean. They eat tiny particles that flow through the pores. Jellyfish is Cnidarian. Cnidarians are a group of animals that have tentacles. Their tentacles have sting cells called nematocysts, which are used for feeding and defense. Sea anemones are Cnidarians. Corals are also Cnidarians. Look at the annelid. Annelids are segmented worms. Their body consists of little segments that look like rings. Leech is an annelid. Earthworm is an annelid. This is, oh, this is not an earthworm. However, these are roundworms. Roundworms are unsegmented worms. They have thin and round bodies, usually found in the intestines. Hookworms are roundworms. Roundworms are not only found in your intestines. However, hookworms or roundworms can also be found in your skin. If you have like that, those are indications of roundworms in your skin. Flatworms. Flatworms are worms that are soft, flat, and unsegmented body. Some lived in water, others in the intestines. This is an example of marine flatworm. A flatworm that lives on or in water. This is a tapeworm of a cow. A tapeworm is a flatworm. A tapeworm, once it is cut, it will grow more. Look, this is how the tapeworm looks like in the intestine. Okay, about this creature. This is a snail. A snail is an example of a mollusks. Mollusks are unsegmented, soft-bodied invertebrates that usually have shells. An example of it is a snail. And slug is mollusks. Oysters are mollusks. Do you like to eat oysters? They are mollusks. How about the beetle? Beetle is an arthropods. Arthropods have been the largest group of animals in the planet. They have segmented body with jointed legs. They have external bones called exoskeleton to protect their bodies. Okay, a beetle is an arthropod. A dragonfly is an arthropod. A spider is an arthropod. A crab is an arthropod. Prawns are arthropods. Scorpion is an arthropod. A millipede is an arthropod. A centipede is an arthropod. Now let's take a look at echinoderms. The word echinoderm means spiny skin. Echinoderms have spines on various lengths on their bodies. They have radically symmetrical body. They live in the sea. Starfish is an echinoderm. Sand dollar is an echinoderm. Sea urchins are echinoderms. We're done with the invertebrates. Now let's take a look at the vertebrates. Okay, mammals. Mammals have mammary glands to produce milk for their babies. So the mammary gland produces milk for babies. Sheep is a mammal. Mother cow is mammal. A dolphin is also a mammal. Mother dolphin feeds its young or its baby through its mammary gland. A porcupine is a mammal. Bats are also mammals. They feed their babies with their mammary gland. Let's take a look at the birds. Birds are warm-blooded animals. They breathe through their lungs. They have 2 legs, a pair of wings, and a beak. Their bodies are covered with feathers. Most of them can fly with their wings and lay eggs with hard shells. Okay, a peacock is a bird. The most beautiful bird in the world. The peacock. Birds lay eggs that have hard shells. They take care of their eggs and their chicks. The eagle. The eagle is the carnivorous bird. The eagle lives in the rainforest. Parrot is the talking bird. The duck is one of the birds that can swim. One of the birds that can swim. However, the penguins are the only bird that cannot fly. However, they can swim. The chicken is a bird. The turtles are reptiles. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals that have hard, dry, scaly skin. They lay eggs with moisture shells. Most reptiles do not provide care for their young. They just lay their egg and they just left it behind, and then they go back to their habitat, and then the eggs will just hatch on their own at the right time. The tortoise is a reptile. The alligator is a reptile. The alligator lays eggs. Snake is a reptile. Snakes lay eggs. Lizard is a reptile. They lay eggs. But the frog is not a reptile. Frog is amphibian. Amphibian means living double life. In Greek, adult amphibians live on land, while their young live in water. They have moist skin. Adult amphibians breathe through their lungs, while young through their gills. These are the baby frogs, the tadpoles. They live in the water. They breathe through their gills. But if they become adult, they will breathe through their lungs and they will live on land. Okay, salamander is a reptile. Newt is an amphibian. Okay, now let's talk about fish. Fish are cold-blooded animals. They live in the water and breathe through their gills. Their bodies are covered with slimy scales. They have fins and a tail, streamlined body to swim in the water. The shark is the biggest fish in the planet. Salmon, carps. Carps exist in variety of colors. They are edible. How about the puffer fish? Puffer fish live in the ocean. Okay, thank you for listening. Because of amazing job today, I will give you 5 stars. For your homework, you get your science workbook. You answer page 26 and 27. Thank you for attending my class today. This is Norbel Quatres saying, Sawadee ka, kapun ka.